Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Ganesh Chaturthi is coming very soon. That's why today I made a special recipe for the Ganesh Chaturthi. Today I made the sweet potatoes khasta recipe. It looks crispy from the outside, also it is so soft from the inside. So without wasting any time, let's start and see how we can make this recipe at our home. If you like this video, please share this video to your family and your friends. Also subscribe my channel. So let's go and see. For making the recipe, first I take here sweet potato. First I washed it very nicely and peeled the outer part of the potato very nicely. After that I cut it into cube sizes and washed it again. Then I will boil it into pressure cooker and give 2 whistles into it. After boiling it very nicely, now I will smash all the sweet potato with my hand very nicely. After smash the potato very nicely, now I will add some salt according our taste and some turmeric powder into it. After this, now I will mix the turmeric powder and salt with the potato very nicely. Then I will take a kadai and give some oil into it. After that I will give green chili and ginger into it and fried it very nicely. After that I will give the boiled potato into it and fry it little more. I give all the potato here. Now I will fry it in medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, now I will add some ghee and Kashmiri mirchi powder into it. If you want, you can add the Kashmiri mirchi powder before giving the boiled potato. Also, if you add the ghee, it will enhance the taste of the inner filling very nicely. Now I will fry the potato very nicely. If you fried the potato very nicely, it will be so tasty. Friends, you can see our potato fried very nicely. Now I will make the dough. For this, first I take here flour. After taking the flour, now I will add some salt into it. After that I will add some oil into it for make it crispy. Now I will mix the ingredients with the flour very nicely with my hand. After that, now I will add some hot water into it and make a dough. I take little more water here. Now I will make the dough very nicely and perfectly. You can see I make the dough very nicely. After make the dough very nicely, now I will cover it and rest it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, now I will remove the cover and smash it very nicely and make a perfect dough. After smashing it little more, you can see it looks so soft. Now I will make the lychee from this. You can make the lychee according your taste. You can see I made this size of lychee. From here I take 4 lychees. Now I will take a lychee and make the shape with my hand. For this, first I take the lychee and round it with my finger very nicely. First I pressure the left finger and round it with the right finger. You can see I make a bowl shape. You have to make the bowl shape. After that I give here the inner filling of this. After give the filling into it, now I will close the both side and make a cake shape. After covering it very nicely, now I will make a design into it. For this, first I pull the louis very nicely and make a round shape of this. You can see how to make it. You have to pull the louis and make a round shape. You can see it looks so nice design. After making the design, you can see it looks so nice. Like this, I will make the rest 3 lychee and make this type of shape. Now I will take a kadai and give some oil into it and hot it very nicely. Now I will give all the khasta cake into it one by one. After giving the cake, now I will fry it into medium flame very nicely. After fried it from both sides very nicely, now I will keep the flame low and fried it little more for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I will put the gas off and put it down on a plate. So friends, our today's Ganapati special recipe is ready to serve. If you like this video, please share this video to your family and your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.